I'm Chris Phillips, and I am the founder of SRS Worldwide. I started the company because I saw a need in the market for medium-sized distributors who wanted to structure import programs but didn't have the capabilities of hiring someone full-time to run a program of that nature. So we began by sourcing laminate products in China with specific factories when we began the company 15 years ago. Over the last 15 years, we've expanded to sourcing in China, South Korea, Vietnam, and Mexico, and we now do laminate flooring, engineered wood, PVC, PVC-free products, SPC, any different flooring product that people may be looking for. I started working with Viken because of a relationship with one of our key customers with Viken. They suggested that we learn more about the product because they thought it was important with what they were doing. The thing that becomes most important to me, we could use any locking system we wanted on the products that we're making. When it was important to our customer, I thought it was important for us to learn. But then as we got to know the people here at Viken, I was always taught that people don't buy from companies, people buy from people. And the relationship that we have developed with the people who are here in your organization are what makes it important for us to do business with Viken. The biggest benefit to the 5G locking system in my mind is the time savings and the ease of installation. I think that there is less opportunity for mistakes or for breakage with the product, but by far, when you have the lock and fold technology, when you can just press down with your finger and the product is installed, it has to reduce installation time dramatically. It's the ease of installation, it is the time savings for the installer, and also the tremendous quality of the locking system. We feel it's very important in what we do as a company at SRS Worldwide to become a resource to our customers. And for that reason, our key personnel in China have been spending time in Viken's Kunshan facility, learning about all the different aspects of how we can better serve our customers through the technologies that Viken offers. It's important enough to me as the founder of our company that I've taken the time this week to come to Viken, Sweden, so that I can be here at the headquarters of Viken and learn more about the company as well and how we can better serve our customers and what we do for them.